The psychrometric chart, a practical use. In the example we're going to look at in this tech tip, we have a homeowner complaining about wet windows. How can we use a psychrometric chart to resolve the issue? Our room temperature is 75 degrees. The temperature of the windows is 35 degrees. Let's plot this on a psychrometric chart. So we take our 75-degree room temperature and plot it on the dry bulb temperature along the bottom of the psychrometric chart. We then take our 35-degree window temperature and plot it on our wet bulb curve on the left side of the psych chart. The intersection of these 2 points lands on a humidity curve line of 23% humidity. This is the point at which condensation will form on the windows. So on our psychrometric chart, 23% humidity is our condensation point. Above 23% humidity, we will have condensate forming on the windows. Below 23% humidity, we will have dry windows. So by using our psychrometric chart, we now have a solution for the homeowner. Above 23% humidity, we will have condensation on the windows. Below 23% humidity, we will have dry windows. By controlling the humidity in the home and keeping it under 23%, we can prevent condensation from forming on the windows during the winter.
Go to arefco.com for more videos, like, subscribe, and check back every week for new videos.